In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off invoice reminders in Jobber. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your communication settings or simply reduce the number of notifications your clients receive, turning off invoice reminders can be a useful feature. So, let's walk through how to do this step by step in a straightforward way. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Jobber. You can easily do this by typing Jobber into the search bar of your browser, and it should be one of the top results that appear. Once you've located the Jobber website, go ahead and click to open it. If you already have an account, you can proceed to log in by entering your credentials. If you're new to Jobber, you'll need to sign up and create an account to begin using their services. Rest assured, both the login and sign-up processes are user-friendly, guiding you through each step. After successfully logging into your Jobber account, you'll need to navigate to the client's profile section. This is a crucial step, since the client's profile is where you'll be making changes to the reminder settings. Once you're on the client's profile, keep an eye out for the More Actions button. This button is typically located in the Schedule view, making it easily accessible when you need to make adjustments. Click on it to expand your options. After clicking More Actions, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Edit button. Hitting Edit will bring up a variety of editing tools and options for the client profile. It might seem a bit cluttered, but don't worry. This is all part of getting the settings just right. Now, you'll have to find the Communication Settings section. This is the part where you can manage how and when your clients receive notifications from Jobber. Once you're in the communication settings, look for the toggle that's labeled Upcoming Assessment or Visit Reminders. This toggle controls whether or not your clients receive reminders for upcoming assessments or visits. Finally, to turn off these reminders, simply switch this toggle to the Off position. If it was turned on, sliding it to off will ensure that your clients will no longer receive any kind of reminder notifications for upcoming assessments or visits. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off invoice reminders in Jobber. Hopefully, this was easy to follow, and you're now better equipped to customize your clients' communication settings to suit your and their preferences. If you have any questions or issues along the way, Jobber's support team is always there to provide further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Jobber.